Today, for the very first time, we're tackling a job on our car that some might find intimidating. We hope after you watch this video, you'll find it easy to check and fill your antifreeze coolant. Let's take a look. It is important to check your antifreeze coolant on a regular basis. If the correct amount isn't in the cooling system, the engine might freeze in extreme cold weather or boil over in excessive heat, both you need to avoid.
So the first thing you have to do is to find the specific antifreeze coolant for your vehicle. In this case, this is a 2017 Honda Civic with a base 2-liter engine. So let's go online and find the right product.
We are using OEM brand antifreeze coolant, and they have a simple online tool to get the exact match for our car. Just go to OEMeasymatch.com, and using the drop-down menus, it takes seconds to find the right match for your car, truck, or SUV.
So the OEM antifreeze coolant that is correct for our vehicle is this extended life Blue 1 formulation. OEM has 9 different formulations that are each adapted for specific car brands. You can see this one is for Honda, Acura, and Subaru, so we're good to go.
Once you figure out your OEM formulation, you need to familiarize yourself with your car. Look for the fluid reservoir. There's 2 ways you can do this: in the owner's manual, or look for the triangle with the exclamation mark on top. You'll need a few tools for the job, including paper towel, a funnel, cardboard, or absorbent mats.
So a couple of things you need to keep in mind. First of all, the car should be on a level surface so you get a good reading out of the reservoir. Also, make sure the car is cold and been sitting for at least 3 hours. In this case, the car has been sitting overnight. You don't want to be working in a hot engine compartment, plus you don't want any expansion in the coolant system. So when you do look at that reservoir, you're getting a good reading.
So we put cardboard under the engine just in case we have a spill, and the same goes for the paper towel. Animals like the smell and flavor of antifreeze coolant, so it's important if you do have a spill to clean it up off the ground. If an animal ingests it, it can be harmful. What you want to do is fill the reservoir to the top. On the side, you'll see a line that will tell you that it's full. On this car, it's tricky to see because the space between the reservoir and the engine is tight, but if you look close enough, you'll be able to see it.
What I like about this OEM antifreeze coolant is that it's already pre-mixed and ready to use. There's no guesswork about getting the correct mix. You just add it to your car or replace all of it. OEM antifreeze coolant meets or exceeds your manufacturer's specifications. For 5 years, 150,000 miles, make that 250,000 kilometers. So what it does is it protects you from extreme cold, freezing, and then boiling over in the summer. For example, the Blue 1 we just put in our Honda Civic goes all the way down to minus 37 degrees Celsius and all the way up to 129 degrees Celsius, from extreme cold to blistering heat.
So it's that simple to top up your antifreeze coolant.
So looking for a high-quality pre-mixed OEM formulation for your car takes a job you might have never tried before and makes it easy.
It's that simple.